Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we'll do some money trading. If you want to trade also, this program I'm using right now, you find link below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you push the subscribe button and the like button. Any question, leave them below the video. Now let's see if we can find some trades. We had actually a trade when I did log in. We were down here. But as of my intro talk and everything, I lost it. But let's see. The reason for the trade, by the way, was that you were low in stochastic. We were out. Maybe we get it again. Let's see. I want us to go a little more down. Little more than this. I think we take it there. So, the reason for this trade is we did go all to the bullish band. We are low in the stochastic. And we are in a support area. That's a trade for us. Now let's move the screen a little to, and if it's a loser, we go in with let's say 800. So now we need to wait 40 seconds. We never enter a trade before the timer is done, because often can move much and we go in the money and we don't need to do unnecessary trades. So now we just wait. We need to wait more 24 seconds. And it looks like we have a deep in the money winner. So there you see the power of finding a area of interest that you can see that you're touching many times. When I talk about touching is that you can see all these spikes that hits this area and how you shoot up after. And just like that, $348 profit. That's not bad for 1 minute work. So, and it's what I'm always telling. See up here, for example, here you can see, you see all these areas, you're touching this area, and you can see it again here. And when you are then high in the stochastic, you go out to the bullish band, then you push down. It's that simple. And if you use martingale, add that to this. So if you lose a trade and you go in again, the same direction, in the end you will win. Typically, as you have seen in my channel, the maximum I have lost in a row is 3 times, never more. That's because I use money management. So if I need more, I could have done more. So money management is key. So let's say you have $1,000 in the account, right? You don't go in with $400 in your first trade, right? Because if you do that and you martingale and you jump then to 850, for example, on the next trade, you can't, because you only have $600 left in your account, right? So then you have lost 400 and you can't get it back. So if you just have 1,000, then you need to figure out how many times can I martingale on my money. And trust me, leave your room, maybe more than me, because I have experience with this, so I can enter maybe much better than you can do. But when you start to be training and your eyes, because what I have told, when you enter into don't do like I do and open many, just take one. Can be euro against dollar, but choose one that have a high percent. Percent mean like you see 87 there, right? That means if you invest $100, when you win, you will earn 87. So higher this number is, easier it is to get out of it with martingale after. You need to calculate that, right? So when you enter this one, take a line, draw a line on every area you see you're touching that are within an area of interest. And then you will, when you then see that you are high in the stochastic or low in stochastic, and you go out of the bullish band in that areas, you know that the chance to win the trade is high. Okay? So that's basically how you can trade. And the good thing with this program I was talking about in the start here now, that I'm using here now, this broker works worldwide, and you can start with as little as $10. And when you do trade $10, you can start with a $1 trade, because it's many will tell you start with the demo account and trade. Do you know it's more scary to start with a demo account than start with a $10 account? And I will tell you why. If you start with a demo account, you will figure out, wow, I'm so good to be trading, that you will jump in with a big money in your live account, and you will lose it because you think you are the master of the universe. Because when you trade on a demo account, you trade as a pro. Do you know why? Because you trade without emotion, because it's not your money, it's just play money. But if you trade with a real account, you treat as real money. And if you manage to treat a small account, then you can build it up to a bigger account. But don't jump from a $10 account to like $1,000. Do the steps so you can teach your mind to trade with a different type of amounts. Okay? So that's basically how I would have done it if I started over again many years ago. In the start I lost a lot because I did basically the mistakes to jump in with too much money. I did trade on demo. I thought I was the master of the universe. I could do everything. I jumped in with crazy a lot of money. I had so much emotions, and then when I got a loss, I wanted to get back my loss right away. Get it back. That's the most scary thing you can do. You get emotion and you start to like, if I throw in this money now, I can get all my losses back right away. That's the scary thing. So, money management and emotions. When you figure out these two, the rest will come by itself. It's like Forex. Did you know any Forex strategy works as long as you have these two in order? You will make money. You can trade any strategy almost, and you will make money as long as you keep these two in order. That's the reality. So with that, have a perfect day.